So good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 18. Yes, today we are day number 18. Okay. From the request management perspective, we done all the things which will be required for the training. Service portal, introduction, request management, category, catalog, item, workflow, flow designer, catalog builder, everything we have done. Any doubt, any question till this point so that I can be pick up the next topic for today. Any doubt, any question? Anyone? Okay, silence is the gold, but not for you as of now. For me, definitely yes. So now there is a concept come into the picture. It's called the record producer. Okay, there's a concept come into the picture that is called the order guide, and there's a concept which we discuss called the catalog item. These three has different purposes in service now and at the industry side as well. When I say the catalog item means, or when I say the request management basically means where you are requesting something, okay, and you are getting that thing fulfilled, not resolved, always fulfilled. Okay. But when I say the record producer, if I speak from the ground level perspective, record producer and the catalog items is actually one thing for me. But the only difference is that when I say the request item, I forget one term here. Let me try to open that. Record producer versus like this catalog item. So when I say about the catalog item, it means when I say the catalog item, the two records will be generated in a table, in two different tables at a given point of time. That is called the catalog item. But record producer create only one record in a table. That is a thing which they are differentiating. Maybe I can just open and show you something here. A catalog item work with the cart where you can add multiple and checkout. Okay. So like if you're ordering something from any of the e-commerce website, you can do the addition of multiple items. I'm ordering vegetable, potato, tomato, pumpkin, all the things I can add. This is a request I'm doing. But a record producer is ordered one at a time and create one record on the backend, mostly an incident. This is a very basic difference can be asked in the interview. That what is the difference between catalog item and a record producer? Maybe I can find out some more differences here. Go here. Because this is very confusing. आप बोलोगे अतुल फिर फर्क क्या है दोनों में? फर्क कुछ नहीं है. दोनों both are creating records in the table, but the difference is that catalog item creating two records in a two table and record producer creating one record in a single table. That is the way that has been defined. The term has been defined. The concept has been defined called the record producer. Let me go here and show you. See, catalog, this is a standard one. Catalog item will end up in opening a request and request item and attach a workflow. Whereas record producer simply insert a record in selected table. Just a simple selected table. Even I can say raising a standard change can be a record producer for me, because it is just going to insert a record in that particular table. With the catalog item, you can add multiple items to the cart and generate a request. But in the record producer, only one record in the target table. ऐसा नहीं कि incident table में आपने एक बार submit किया तो दो record होंगे. No, it just create one record. That's all. Then the primary difference, and believe me, ये इसका खुद का लिखा हुआ नहीं है शायद. ये इसका कहीं का copy pasted है. Oh, he's Abhishek. I know this guy. Okay. Primarily the difference, which is the type of record, is created upon the submission. The main difference come on the submission. I would use a catalog item when we want to generate a request, complete with the workflow. In short, he's saying the same thing again and again. But now he's saying record producer can be incident, change, and can be enhancement. For you, the simple line or simple point is that if I submit something on the service portal and it create only one record in a target table, it is called the record producer. If it create more than one, it becomes the catalog item for me. Clear till this point? Theoretical part should be clear for you. क्योंकि कस्टमर को फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि रिकॉर्ड प्रोड्यूसर है ये कैटलॉग आइटम है, ये it is depend it affect me because when I go for the estimations I need to do the estimation the different part. Tell me guys, all fine so that I can proceed to the this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Just one thing, and
Yes.
in that case, right now understanding towards record producer, but sometimes client customers ask, I want this to be as a requested item. So he doesn't bother about the request.
No.
Right?
No. So you pick up a very good point, Ankit. I'll tell you what should we do in these cases as a consultant. Customer say no, boss. I want incident as a catalog item. It should be have a workflow and approval. I have this case. Then I ask, can you say that your pen and pencil are equal? Can you write the things with the pen and the pencil? Can you remove the pen but not the pencil, or vice versa? He said no. It means if we are talking in the ServiceNow term, specifically in the ServiceNow context, these are the two different concepts. There is a purpose has been defined for each and every concept. Record producer को catalog item क्यों नहीं कहा गया? क्योंकि उसका वर्कफ्लो अलग होता है, वो एक टेबल में एक टारगेट टेबल में एक रिकॉर्ड जनरेट करता है. कैटलॉग आइटम क्रिएटेड 2 रिकॉर्ड्स. That is the reason it has been. You have to be differentiate because customer say नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए record producer. I want this catalog item. Then you have to be differentiate on the ground level. Boss, इनकी meaning अलग-अलग हैं. Orange and apple both are the two different things. Orange and मौसमी two are the different fruits. Purpose same हो सकता है, but इनका nature दोनों का अलग-अलग है. Apple का shake बन सकता है, apple का juice बन सकता है, लेकिन मौसम्बी का जूस ही बनेगा, शेक नहीं बनेगा. उसमें दूध डालोगे तो खराब हो जाएगा वो. So ये चीजें, these things you have to be tell from the fundamental part, and this question arises a lot of time. मुझे नहीं चाहिए भाई ऐसे, मुझे ऐसे मत करके दो, मुझे ऐसे करके दे दो, वो सब चीजें. ठीक. So if these cases come, open ServiceNow website directly and go to the community and show, see, this is the meaning of this thing. Now tell me, are you fitting? Are your words are fitting in this category or not? He say yes. It's record to generate. Yes, I can do. There's a concept called the domain separation. And ServiceNow asks 5 to 7 questions before you implement the domain separation. If any of the answer is no, ServiceNow say no to the domain separation. If all answer is yes, only then ServiceNow say I'll go for the domain separation, because they are very clear on their fundamentals. These things should be very clear. वो बोलेगा कैटलॉग आइटम, उसको बोलो बॉस ये तो बता मैं किस टेबल पे लगाऊं, फिर बता दे मुझे ये भी. क्योंकि कैटलॉग आइटम का पर्पस क्या है कि जहां पर 2 रिकॉर्ड एक साथ जनरेट हो रहे हैं. REQ और RATM, हम if you see in the last 2 or 3 days when I click on the submit, I get 2 records, REQ or RATM. I did not write code for the RATM. I just write code for the REQ because मेरा item बन रहा है. I'm creating catalog item. I say I'm just putting a catalog item on the portal. I'm not putting anything on the REQ. Then how REQ has been generated? Because that is a separate concept is there. That is the thing here. Okay. If I add one more point here, record producer and order guide. See, one more term is there now. An order guide is used to guide the user into the ordering multiple items. These order guides is actually a catalog item only, part of the catalog item, but it is been defined as separate because in a single go user can order the multiple things. Just click OK and order will be done. So today we are going to discuss one, record producer, and second, the order guide. Okay, let me go here now. Open it. Now, if I say the record producer, it means I'm talking specifically to create a record in a given table. Like I want to create a record in the incident table or the change or in the problem table. And what I'll do here, I'll go here and search for the record producer. Did you notice that it is still in the service catalog only? It is not out of the service catalog. Part service catalog ka hi hai, but the concept is little different here. I click on the record producer. And now you can see I have these many record producer. Let me open the service portal first. Can you see create an incident? See, this is a record producer. If I click on this, it will ask 2 or 3 fields from my side. Short description, इसके साथ description हो गई. Urgency should be low. I'll put this thing. On the basis of this, it will bring the contextual search name on the down. This one, I click on the submit. Now what it will do, it will create a record in the incident table. But the thing is that how my system will know when I click on the submit what I need to do, that I will define. See, it's getting the incident here. Okay, now I'll go here and I show you the default one, then we'll create our own. Create. क्या था? Create incident था ना? हाँ. See, create incident. Generally, we have 1 or 2 record producer as per the requirement, not much. Let me open it. Sorry, I'm just having something in the parallel as well. So now you can see. In the catalog item, we did define this. We also define this thing as well. We define, even though you can create the record producer from the catalog builder. See, option are there. So you have to be defined. You have to put the table on which table you want to build up, and rest you have to put what it will contain, the short description and the description. I'll come accessibility, under which catalog and category should become same. यहाँ पर catalog category था जब हमने when we do for this catalog item, ये option यहाँ पर है. Generate record data. Do you want to put any kind of a template? You can put, otherwise leave it. Portal setting. यहाँ पर बस यही आएगा, यही option आएगा submit का, क्योंकि order now तो होता नहीं है. How you can order an incident? You cannot order. You just submit a one. So this thing you can do it. Same, rest all the things will be same. Variable, set, policies, everything will be same. The only one thing which is required to be understand here, this thing. Meta is basically used for the searching purpose. That if you want to put some records, some words here, incident, record, failure, pass, so that when a user search, he will be able to find this particular record producer. If I tell you this record producer is a catalog item for me, will you believe this? If I go here and click on the catalogs, and open by the categories, Now tell me, this is a record producer or a catalog item? बोलिए अंकित, सूर्या,
Catalog
Ronald.
item.
Catalog item.
So it can be
Okay.
treated as both. You have also already created as a record producer on the background, but it's appearing on the /HP or /ESS view in the catalog items category. So
So
yes, it can act as both.
I need yes or no. It is a catalog item or not?
Eventually, you can say that, but
No. Eventually, yes or no. No gray area.
catalog item creates a request, so I would say no.
Okay, fine. Ronald, what do you say?
Record producer.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If it is a record producer, then why it is be here? In the beginning, I told if anything which is coming in this category, suppose I click on this and I'm getting here, these are the catalog items for me. Then how it's become the record producer?
By way of function, it is a record producer, but you can add it to the service portal.
Wait, very right word you pick up. The way of function it work is the record producer. Now I ask one more question, and this thing I again get it from my experience only. Do you know that how Amazon, Flipkart, Grofers, or XYZ websites has been defining their products in the background? What you are able to see, you just go here, click Amazon, and order it.
Right.
Do you know that what they call it as a catalog item or a request or a banner or an image? What they call?
Yes, most of what you can see over here are catalog items.
Are catalog items that
yeah.
you know, right? That you know.
Right.
But maybe Amazon say no, it is not a catalog item. Boss, this is a portion or this is a department for me. So one thing which I learned, and I want to put it here, we should never tell to the customer or the user कि boss इसका technology क्या है background का. Customer के लिए अभी भी catalog item ही है और catalog item ही रहेगा. But for you as an IT guy, it is a record producer. Why you want to tell to the customer that boss is a record producer? Why you want to create a confusion in the customer mind? आपको यहाँ portal पे चाहिए ना? I'll put it. You say it is a catalog item. In the background, it is a record producer or XYZ. That's up to me. So anything which you are able to see on this particular page, these are the catalog items. Then why did not you call it as a change? कहाँ गया change का भी था यहाँ पर? Why you call it as a catalog? This is change का भी था ना शायद यहाँ पे. I guess I forget it. Maybe इसमें होगा standard changes में यहाँ पर. You called it as a अतुल ये तो record producer. चलो ये तो मान लीजिए record producer है. अच्छा. Then what is this outage? It is record producer. No, it is a catalog item. Everything is available in front of me is a catalog item. In the background, you as a technical guy call it as a record producer, workflow, flow designer, catalog builder, SLA, I don't care. Did you bother? When you click something on the Amazon or the Flipkart, you get product in the 5 days. What do you say? भैया मुझे 5 दिन में delivery चाहिए. खत्म. For you, it is a 5 day कि आपको delivery चाहिए. But for the Amazon, it is a SLA. हम तो IT में we know these are the SLAs. But अब मेरे पापा अगर कुछ ऑर्डर करें, उनको पता ही नहीं SLA क्या होता है. अरे बेटा मैंने कहा था 5 दिन में आ जाएगा. अच्छा ठीक है जी. Because these sites, these customer not, these providers are not bothered कि customer को क्या पता चलना चाहिए पीछे. उसको पता हाँ सर 5 दिन में आपको deliver हो जाएगा. बात खत्म हो गई. So ये चीजें it is important. Being a consultant, we should never ever tell to the customer in the background what technology we are going to be use it, how we will be segregating it. आपको देखना है आप देख लो, आपको ऑर्डर करना है आप ऑर्डर कर लो. This is a catalog item, this is a page for you to order something. Clear, Ankit and Ronald now. And this thing told by one of the ServiceNow guy in the meeting. We are working on the knowledge management part, and we created the separate knowledge base and bring that knowledge base on the portal page. He was so furious that time. He said, why you guys are telling to your customer that you're using ServiceNow? Did you know that which tool they're using? What do you say, Ankit, Ronald? Maybe they're using the ServiceNow only, maybe, but they're not telling anything to us. The same way that person say, why you want to tell to the customer that you're using ServiceNow or XYZ? Show what you want to show them. Put some condition, put some criteria, but don't tell that it is a catalog item or it is a record producer. Record producer is for you. So now I'll come here. We can put it here. Now important point which is to be here is that this record producer has a complete scripting part. See, पूरा scripting है सारा का सारा. What they done in this script actually? They write a code. Don't be confused the scripting with the inbound action. Inbound action may be same. We done the same thing. We go here. We click inbound action. What we did? We are creating an incident via email, not via portal. The only difference is that in the email you can write anything, it will be captured. But in the portal we have a specific fields available, and we have to map those fields into the incident table. So ये यहाँ पर mapping किया उसने. If I come on this part, mainly यहाँ पर आते हैं. Contact type is a self-service. If anyone raising any incident from the portal, the contact type should become as a self-service. Let me open it. And open this incident. कहाँ गया भी मिल जाएगा. This one. Okay. Same thing we done in the inbound action as well. Inbound action also, it is a kind of a record producer for me. See, contact type should be a self-service. Okay, from where it is becoming, it is coming from this coding part. Okay. Producer comments plus short description should be this thing. How it popular short description? जो आप यहाँ पर लिखकर भेज रहे हैं. Here. Put the same thing in the short description and the description as well. Same copy paste. Okay. Now go here. ये हो गया link record producer to the incident, and this is the function they're calling. कि जो the record which I'll be getting here, link to the record producer to the incident, and these things. Believe me, I am not good in this coding part. Okay, but on the top level, on the high level, what we can think and what we can say is that they're doing the mapping here only. This current caller ID should be in the caller. उन्होंने fix कर दे यहाँ पर. ये ना. All these things. So this is the way that you can create the record producer. Maybe you can put the incident, instead of the incident, you can put the change as well. I want to create a change. No problem. You can create a change. I'll show you one example here. Go here. All catalogs.
That script, it auto populates when we create a record producer, or we have to create it from scratch?
When you submit anything on the portal, it go here, read this particular logic, and create the incident for you.
No. That part is okay. If we click on record producer, click on new, this particular script we have to type in, or
we have to be right from the scratch. Okay. बस यहीं पे अतुल ग्रोवर मार खा जाता थोड़ी सी, because I don't know how to write the scripts. I'm learning, but still on the same pace. So now if I go here, if you go in the standard changes, see these are. These are kind of a record producer for me, क्योंकि ये मेरा change record create करेंगे. ACM matrix का देखें यहाँ पर है कि नहीं. Let's see. क्या है ACME? Okay, let's try to find out. Yeah, see, if you open this, it is a record producer because it will create a record, but it's saying it is in the this particular scoping. स्टैंडर्ड चेंज है ये भी लाइक, और यहाँ पर अगर मैं इसको एडिट करके देखता हूँ, ओके इट्स बी पॉपुलेटिंग इट फॉर मी, वेट, सो इट्स डूइंग सम मैपिंग फॉर मी कि कहाँ से, क्योंकि ये बिकॉज दीज आर द स्टैंडर्ड चेंजेस, these come from the template only, so they have a defined the templates like this, these things. We generally recommend to the customer that they should use the record producer for incidents only. For that you can create multiple incidents, incident for the HR, incident for the finance, incident for the these things that you can do. But at last, it should be a record producer for me. But if it is available in the portal, it is called as a catalog item for the user. Clear till this point. Nothing much on this area for my side. If you want, I can show you one more record here. Let's create one sample here. Small case incident. In which table you want to create it? Incident, change, request, or maybe if you created your own table, you can use that as well. So I'll say incident. Okay. Now state checkout is none as of now because we did not submit as of now, or then you can put the short description. Small scale issues, copy. Under which catalog you want to put, you can put it. If you want to use the able to search for the item, add the category. I say let's put into the catalog as a celebration. Okay. Category as a दो एक ही category थी, wedding. Can user cancel this? You can, yes or no. Other generally we don't put this can cancel because I don't want the user should cancel any incentive if I'm working on the same. So I remove this option. View, basically it should be like a default view or something. You can put it here. Generate record data. If you want to put any template here, it will record that generate. Then go to the portal settings, hide attachment. All these things will be simple here. Save and let's go there. If you want to change something in the catalog, you can go and change it there as well. I'll go here, go to celebrations. Go to the wedding. See, small scale incident. You can put variable set, anything you want to put, you can put it here. Just click on the submit. Incident will be created. But nothing will happen in the background now. Why? Because we did not write any code here. See, there's nothing code, we write it here, right? Still, it will create an incident for me. Let's see what happened in the default area. See, it created without any short description. Nothing on the contact type. Default it picked this and done. No, because why these values are blank? Because we did not put into our scripting part here. That is the thing. This is a point to be discussed. Redirect to, when you click on the submit, I am getting this page. This thing come from here where you want to redirect to the user. Do you want to go to the task record, means you want to go in this record, or you want to take the user on the catalog home page? When I click on submit, I'll go back to the home page directly. So these things are normal configuration which we can do at our end. Rest all the parameters which we discuss about variables, set, policies, available for everything will be the same. You can put articles, you can put items, anything you can do it here. Now, any doubt, any question?
Yeah, one
Yeah.
doubt. Sorry, I think I may have missed this. I was a little distracted. You showed the script and you showed, how to link it, like the short description, etc.
Right.
Can that be done only to the script, or is there a UI interface? I mean, user interface?
Only to script.
Okay, so whether you want to add the priority or anything, it has to be done to this.
You have to be right, because we are not able to see any kind of a drag and drop.
Right. Okay.
Right. मतलब वो workflow वाला काम नहीं है that we can just drag and drop the things will work. No, you have to be write the scripts. So there's a few areas in Surface now which will only work if you know the scripting. Like record producer is one of the thing. UI action is one of the thing where you have to be write the script. Without that, you cannot proceed. My record producer is there. That's not an issue. It's there, but it will not in the function because I don't have anything in the background to be execute.
Okay, and the script is written in which language?
It is mainly in the Java scripting we are be using that mainly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, but the thing is that in ServiceNow they have their own classes and the objects. And once you know that object, then you can play with this part. So we have a session on the scripting as well, or 2 or 3 hour session will be there, which I'm going to take it forward. Okay. And then you will at least get the understanding, okay, hota kya scripting mein. Still we are not able to write the scripts full-fledged, but you will get a little idea on that part. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Now let's go to the next part. It's called the
on the rated list. Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah.
As in down.
It's completely down those.
Sorry, थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो, ऊपर ही rated list देखना मेरे को.
हाँ ये है ना rated list. These are the rated list.
और ऊपर वाले में शायद UX में लगा. हाँ, third वाला tab है जो accessibility के साथ में.
These are not. Wait. These are not the related list. These are the sections.
Sections. The third one says generated record data.
Right.
So what is this? Can we define a template that can be used?
Yes. Yes. You can define a template which can populate some of the variables or some of the fields from that template only. Let's see if I have any template available out of the box. So like this. Major incident. Let me open this, what they are saying. Open this record. Few things you have to be write script. If you want, you can go for the template part as well.
And all of a sudden, I noticed when the record is saved without scripting, it's saving on a high priority or a P1.
Yes, because if it is not, it's taking a default values from somewhere. So like this. So what you asked, Ronald, if you want to put a few things only, like short description should become like this, color should become like this, priority should become like this, minimum you can do. Because you cannot hard code the short description. You don't know that what customer is going to be writing in the short description. So this thing you can remove. Caller ID, you can still do it like this manner. Impact, urgency, priority, self contact type, these things you can do from the template as well. But major things ki yahan ka script sorry, the short description from the record should become to the short description of the incident. You have to be write the things only. Means you write the script only in this case here. So like if I'm use this thing, it will populate my record, but it will change the short description as well. By this way. Otherwise, you have to be use this scripting part only here. Here only.
And how so to few things. Create those templates?
How to create those templates? This is the template table. Says template. Go here and you can create a template. Let me do something on this part. If you know the table, you know the things. Very simple. So like this, or if you want, I can go here and show you. There's option of the templates here. Templates, configuration. Like these separate templates are there. There will be some other names in there. You can find out. Email का नहीं है, team space नहीं है. A lot of templates are there. So maybe as of now you can refer to this particular table directly, and then you can create another. Okay, yeah. And then you can use that template. Who is the group to be? Basically, this group is not for the assignment group. This is a group who is be taking care of this complete thing. So I want to put it my small scale template. On which table I want to be run? I want to run on the incident table. On the basis of this table, your parameter will be open. Short description, test. And now here you can put contact type should be populate as a self-service. Urgency should be low. Impact should be low, and priority should be. See, priority is not coming. Any reason why?
The stat will auto-populate based on impact and urgency.
Correct. Okay, so now let me click on the submit here. Now I'll go to my record producer, go here and use the my template, small scale, and now I click on the save here, and I'll go here and click here. Celebration, then I go to the wedding, small scale, submit. $248. It is still showing the 1. See, these values are coming. These are not changing. It means still there's some scripting running in the background, which is picking up it as a 111. But these things has been set. Contact type has been set. This thing. This is again coming from the default somewhere. So we need to be see, because sometimes there's a lot of scripts run in the background which populate the value. And even though it is tough to be identified कि ये value आ कहाँ से रही है. Okay, but by using this template, you can do minimum work at your end. Maybe as I did not mention anything as a in the variable set, so it's showing like this only. If I put some genuine put questions here, priority, impact, all the things, then it can be override that values as well. Ankit, clear till this point?
Yep, thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, now let me go to the next point. It's called the order guide. I'll go here and search for the order. Order guide, basically, why we use the order guide. Surya, you are very silent today. What happened? All fine, all clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So the thing is that what is the purpose of the order guide? If I go in a layman example or layman side, I join a new company. Okay. And I join a on the senior manager level side. Okay. Now I need a laptop. I need a mobile phone. I need an email ID. I need my visiting card. I need a desk phone. Okay. I need what I can say. Okay, these 5 things I need as a new joiner. Okay. I joined, my HR's done the formalities. Okay, Atul, welcome. I said okay. Now the thing is that if I go into the system and I raise these 5 requests, it will be a problematic for me because I joined, I don't know that what things I need to be get as a new joiner. Will I get a laptop or a desktop or a phone or not? But in the background, what my company plan, they created a set of catalog items. These are the separate catalog items as well. But they bundle that into a one place called the order guide. And my HR, what my HR done? She raised a request or he raised a request on my behalf and everything I get it on the place. So in short, when you club multiple catalog items into one place, then it become a order guide. So if I go here and show you order guide, it is still a catalog in the service catalog. Click here, order guide. I show you one example like this. Get started kit. Nowadays, if you notice, when a person join a company, they get a goodies as well. And that goodies is a combination: laptop, bag, bottle, watch, earphone, dongle, charger, flana, dimkana, all these things. These are the separate items. But to avoid the rework, to avoid the delay, what they did, they put into the single place and called it as a started kit. As soon as the joining formality is complete, HR go and click on the submit. Done. That user will get the started kit in next 3 to 4 days because request has been submitted. So what they did basically here, if I go here for the new hire, it is not this ATF, it is ATF one. I'll go to the our standard one, new hire. This one. New hire order guide. Simple, same concept, name, catalog, category, same thing will be there. I don't know that why is put the 2 steps. What is the meaning of the 2 steps? Okay. I'll show you this thing in the portal as well. Okay. If you order this, you will get your email account creation. You will get one Lenovo Carbon X1, one external monitor. You will get a MS Office suite. Okay. We as an IT guy, we know that boss, these are the 4 separate catalog items. Email account का एक अलग catalog item होगा, that is a request. This is again a request. This is again a request. This is again a request. Suppose you are in the company from the last 6 months or 8 months. You get a project for the documentation and the process flow designing. You need a Visio on your laptop. What you will do? You will go and raise a request for the software installation. It means that software installation is a separate catalog item as well. But in the order guide, they club it at a one place. Now, if I scroll down, that all the things will be there. And here is the things for us. Okay, let me show you here. Then we easy to be. I'll map it here. It is for the new hire. Let me see under which catalog it is there. Service catalog can be help. Okay. Let's go here. Can we help you? And we have a new hire, right? This one. Click on the new hire. Either HR can tell you, Ronald, go and order, click on this catalog item, or either he can raise a request on your behalf. Describe the needs, choose the option, summary. Okay. You as a user log in and you start filling this part. Hiring manager is this one. Which group, what group is this person is joining? Maybe it can be department, I can say here. Okay, I'm joining the corporate. Will this be a remote employee? Yes. What is the office? Will they report to office? Yes. So these are the variables only. And which office I will in this office I'll report. Okay. Will your employee need anything non-standard? Yes. What type of device it is? It's a developer or sales? I'm a sales guy. Do you want a mobile device? Yes, I need an iPhone. Now, these are the basic variables. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? If I show you here, it is coming from here. These things. Completely these things. These are the variable. Don't be confused. These are not the catalog item. These are the variables just to know about you. Okay. Now, if I go here, I click on the next. Choose options. Now, on the basis of the information, I'm able to show you this thing. Do you need a standard laptop? Yes. Any option you want to see, this laptop you will be getting. You want Photoshop, you want this. Yes, I need this. Any additional, I need Visio as well. Okay. Done. Okay, done. Any attachment you want to put, you can put it. New email account creation. When I joined I joined a company, they asked me what email ID you wanted. Means what is the format you want it. Do you want A Grover, Atul Grow, Atul G, what you want? So I tell them I want as a Atul.Grover. Now this practice has been stopped completely. This has been taken care by the HR only. So I say it should be dot Grover 09 gmail.com. This thing. But now this practice, these things has been filled by the HR only. Okay, as you say, you need an iPhone. Okay, which iPhone you want? This one. What color you want? I want as a black. Now, if you see iPhone, let me show you here. Rule based. See, open this iPhone 6s. It is a separate catalog item as well. See, it is in the catalog item table. See. So now you should understand. I'm not building any new catalog item. No, I am just using the existing catalog item in one of the place, and that is called the catalog builder. I need this. This is okay. Do you need the corporate VPN? No, I don't want the corporate VPN. Clear. Now click on the next. पैसा भी तो है ना भाई. Now इसका कोई पैसा नहीं है, but for that to be paid. All fine, not included because you put as a no here. I click on the order now. If you want to add to cart, you can do. If you want to edit something, you can do. If you want to order, you can click on the order now. Now tell me how many catalog items how many RIT will be generated. And here your HR can put your name, request for Atul Grover, delivery option, special instruction. Put some message on the top. Hello, thank you so much for joining our XYZ. ये आज के टाइम में बहुत चल रही चीज है. I click on the checkout. Tell me how many RIT will be created now? 3, 4, 2 or 1?
1.
Ank. Okay.
4. 4.
4. Why 4?
Because each of these items will have a fulfillment team that the RITM should go to.
But friend, you did not order the VPN. Then why 4?
Oh,
One
I thought there were. Okay.
One,
Then 3 then.
one,
Sorry.
1 REQ and 3 RITM.
Okay. Then 3.
Ankit, don't be confused. You are ordering on the Diwali sale from Amazon or the Flipkart. 1 mobile phone, 1 TV, 1 washing machine. Your overall order will be 1, but you will get a separate tracking number for these 3 different items as well. Because maybe order your phone you're ordering from the Bombay shop. Washing machine you're ordering from the Delhi shop. Right? So these 3 separate RITM will be there. Now I'll open this and let's go here. And we have a separate workflow for these 3 RITM as well. Pending approval, because I guess its costing will be more than 1000 this one. Yes, see, इसका costing ज़्यादा इसलिए ये यहाँ जा रहा है. But if you notice this 3 RITM will be there. If I approve, and I go here next, it's approved. हो जा भाई, हो गया. It's approved now, right? Now I go here. RITM 1, RITM 2, RITM 3. Maybe we have a specific approval on the RITM level as well. Maybe. I'm not saying it will be. Now task has been created. Now task has been created. And now task has been created. I'm not defining any extra workflow. No. All the workflow is defined on the catalog item level only. And this is a concept of the SeedSig department head approval. See. So this is now RITM level approval is there. इसमें approval नहीं है शायद, और इसमें भी approval नहीं है, क्योंकि on the catalog item level there is a no separate workflow of the approval has been attached. But in this we have a separate approval has been attached. So if I approve this, only then my task will be generated. CIO approval, because you are asking for the laptop. It's fine. Order fulfillment is be started now. It means task has been generated. They all will follow the separate process, but they're bind with the one REQ only. This is all about the order guide. Now, if you go here, I'll show you something. So how this has been defined. Basically, these are the variables, and then in the rule based, I define what I need it actually here. Dex setup, corporate VPN, all the things will be there. उसको सेव कर लेते हैं पहले. Okay. Or maybe let's just give it. I'll put a charger. So maybe what we can do, let's create a small order guide just to show you. And click on the new. Destination. Catalog is celebration and category is wedding. Okay. Now destination is there and destination is there. And request method, you want to put order, submit, request, you can put that the things will be there. Now I click on the save. Now in that I want to include more catalog items. Rule based. Click on the new. In the destination, what items you want to include? If the condition is true, because we are not putting any kind of a variable, so we are not defining any condition. Maybe if I open this order guide just to show you, because if you see when I was ordering from the ordering from here, I say no, I don't want a remote. I am a remote employee. Maybe in that case I did not get anything else. just to show you here, new hire, that how these things actually work. External one. Okay, now you see this is not given to me, right? They don't have any specific, yeah. Maybe he did not put anything like this, or I can go here. Include these items. Okay, if I skip it here, maybe I can say requested by requested for this person will get at this part. Okay, include this item. I want to include retirement plan. Save. And then I'll click on the, this has been done. I'll go back to my destination order guide just to see कि क्या चल रहा है इसमें. So now you can see one item has been added here. Maybe I can put it here condition that if, because I don't put any variable here, so it is not showing anything to me as of now. If I put a variable that if it is a company employee or it is a remote employee, then these options should be available. I'm trying to find out that if I can get something. External monitor, they don't have anything. Any view is there, item designer. Let's see any other view. No, it is not showing. No, not showing here. Maybe go back. I'm just trying to find one thing which I can show you by this manner to you in the new hire. What type of device? iPhone, Samsung Galaxy.
The one with the iPhone had a couple of variables, isn't it? The color.
No, variable is the part of your item only. I'm trying to check this condition. ये वाला कहाँ पर है? I'm just trying to find that. कहाँ गया rule here? Let me open this. हाँ, देखो ये रहा. So they don't have any condition here. Okay, let's do one thing. कहाँ गया है मेरा? इसमें ना एक वेरिएबल और ऐड कर देते हैं. If condition. हाँ, if condition is true, then it is easy for us to be identify कि किसमें condition, just to show you that how these items also populate. Here it is. New email account. Developer one. Why it not showing the condition? अरे यार ऐसे तो मत करो यार. Because it's showing as a condition, it's here. Okay, now you can see. You are a new hire and it say laptop type is a developer. Now, if you remember, let me go here. And we are here. Okay. Go to new hire. This one. Now the point is that when you will get this laptop, MacBook, if you are a developer, and how this has been come, it will become like this. Yes. If you click on yes, then what type of device you want? I say I want I am a developer. If you are a developer, you have to be defined here. And the standard package is yes. And you put the developer and you say standard package. कहाँ गया standard package मेरा? Standard package is non-standard IO package? No. Sorry, standard package is. अरे यार क्या है ये? Standard package is yes, and these two will be true, only then you will get a ये वाला laptop. Did you notice that we did not get this MacBook in the selection? We get as a standard laptop because these conditions are not matching at point of time. The same thing if I go here. If you are a laptop type is developer, then you will get a external. What we say that I am a sales guy. These are not mandated. Let me. Maybe on the basis of this department, things will be vary. If now if you go here, choose option. See, I'm getting Lenovo. I'm not getting the MacBook. If I want to get a MacBook, I'll go back and say, boss, I am a developer. And click next. Now you can see you're getting a MacBook and you're getting this as well automatically. Why? Because these conditions are getting true. So now it is up to you that what you want to show. You no need to be define this catalog item again. No, you have to be just define the variables, and on the variable answers you have to be define what to show, what not to show here. Ankit, Ronald, clear? Surya, any doubt?
No.
Yes or no?
No doubt.
Okay, no doubt. Okay. Now the question comes, Atul, what is our work here in this particular area? Because देखो, we are not the person who are going to develop this thing, but we are as a consultant need to be take a requirement from the customer that boss, tell me, number one, tell me how many answers or the questions you wanted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. On which of the hiring manager you won't put any condition? If Atul is the hiring manager, then default give to the MacBook. Or if Ronald is the hiring manager, give iPhone as a default. Don't ask in the drop down as well. Give it. So first you have to be define these variables, and these are the variables. If I go here, new hire, see, these are the 7 variables. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Let me put it as a open this. This is depend on this, I guess. Yes. Now go and check it. It's taking time. So now you can see. Standard package. Things are there. Now if I go back and open the device type, because device type is based on the standard. If I say no, I'm not getting anything. So if I go here, if I put no, see, option has been gone for the laptop. It means it has depend on the another variable. System default value, they put it something, yeah. I'm not able to find out this question answer. Maybe they are writing some script in the background, client script or something, that on the basis of that you have to be show these things. Okay, so this is the way we define the order guides in our service now. Yes, guys, any doubt? Ankit, start from you. Any doubt here?
I need to practice one order guard by myself. So
At
I'll
least
return back to you tomorrow.
yes. Minimum again. My recommendation always count the same thing. At least create one item, one practice you have to do daily. Otherwise, we are moving up in the pace now, a good pace now, and you will forget a lot of things when we reach at the end of the course. Okay. Yes, Surya, Ronald, any doubt, any question?
No, Atul, everything is clear.
Okay.
No, no.
Okay. So with this, this major topic has been completed of the request management. From tomorrow, we'll start on the service portal part. That how I can define this portal. You can see here. How if you want to write something on or you want to define something on this portal, how you can write it here. Okay, that we start from tomorrow. Okay, let me stop the
And
recording
one more
then.
thing,
Yes,
are
yes.
we
Go ahead.
currently like not on the roam, but mostly
We
companies
are
are using
we
ESS
are on
or SP?
we are on the room. This is
No,
this
I'm
is
not talking about the instance. Are we using /SP as a service portal view or as /ESS? Because
SP.
somewhere
Okay.
I've probably seen on Record Producer it was ESS.
Okay. ESS is a view, employee self-service view. There's a concept called a view as well, which we discuss. That how you want to show the things to the customer. Like I don't want to show my salary information to you on my CV, but I write it. When you're reading it, you will not able to see because I hide it from your perspective. That is called the view. I'll show that part maybe in coming classes. Not how to write a view,
Okay.
but yes, what is the purpose of the view here? If you see, notice here, maybe I can go here. You can see. These are the view. Default view में आपको you are able to see this thing. Now if I go to the diagram part, a lot of things will be changed. See. Question is coming on the top. Earlier it was bit down. If I go here and click on the view of the plan. So this is the concept in service now. If you open any incident, do we have any incident open? Let me open it. Let me open this one. Anyone I can open it. Now you're able to see a lot of fields here. I go here, click on the view of called the self-service. See, this is ESS view, employee self-service. So view is basically way to see the field, to display the fields to a particular person. Maybe when you order something from this Amazon website, there's a view has been set for you. You cannot see the background things कि उस order या उस particular shopkeeper का क्या ranking है, या क्या position है. But you're able to see this one. But this thing can be seen by the Amazon guys or the Flipkart guys. Okay, so this is the concept which we discuss later on. Okay, so let me stop the recording here.